So here's how you can preview the thumbnail file on your iPhone, and let me explain it to you. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So I'm gonna assume that you mean the thumbnails for YouTube videos, and if that's the case, then of course you should make sure that the file is in the proper resolution as well as the aspect ratio. So it should be the 1280 by 720 pixels, ideally in that like aspect ratio, as I said. But if you have the file ready, you can use one of the many online services which work as the thumbnail previewers. So you can literally just type that into the search, and there are going to be a bunch of websites where you can upload that image and also likely the title of the video, and you'll see what it will look like on the platform, right? So you'll see that this is how it kind of looks, with the text next to it and as it's suggested, or in that part of the platform or in somewhere else. So it gives you a nice little preview of what it will look like. So that's actually very nice because you don't have to like officially publish it, but you can get a little preview even beforehand. So let me know what you think below in the comments. Let me know if that's the thing you had in mind. But for now, that's going to be about it. Subscribe for more quick tips and guides like this one, and I'll see you later.